Hey everybody, my name is Cody Stepp. I'm one of the co-founders over here at Workflow Secrets, and I'm oftentimes doing the marketing on these videos, sharing about AI and real estate, as well as our software, the Systems Accelerator Manager. We affectionately call it SAM. But today I actually wanted to kind of step outside of frame and personally invite you to something that we've been working on for the last 2 months that is a culmination of about the entire 2024 years work, and that's Workflow Secrets Demo Day 2025. Now, inside of Workflow Secrets Demo Day 2025, if you go to this link just down below me, you are going to see the introduction of the SAM 2.0 platform. And it's been heralded as the evolution of the CRM, which is crazy to me. And so I thought, any good technology company kind of has a demo day. This would be a great opportunity for us to kind of show what we have built for you. Now, traditionally speaking, these legacy CRMs were built in the 90s, and they just kind of house your data. And then you also have maybe some fancy automations, which you still have to start manually. So are those actually truly automations, or are they just kind of fancy task starters, right? But with SAM 2.0, you are going to see exactly what we have the ability to do using AI and modern technology to do some really cool things. Now, you might be asking yourself, Cody, why should I listen to you? Well, I've spent my entire career in real estate technology, helping agents just like you find success. And this has been under the tutelage of Mark Stepp, my other co-founder. He's also my father, who spent the last 35 years in real estate technology. Now, over this time, he's built 3 successful real estate technology companies, and he's helped over thousands of real estate agents build these successful businesses. I'm talking 100 plus transaction businesses that allow you to still leave work at 3 p.m. or open up your schedule using some well-timed automations for the things that matter most. We like to say friends, family, and growing your business, right? And we've taken all of this knowledge and we've applied it into this platform. And then we've also, at every single step, asked ourselves, is this user friendly? Because we get it, you're a real estate agent, maybe technology isn't your forte. It doesn't need to be using SAM, but we want to give you guys access to a really incredible tool. So here's the deal. If you go to this URL just down below, you are going to get to see our entire Workflow Secrets Demo Day 2025. You can watch all of the videos to start to learn all about the SAM 2.0 platform. And then at the very bottom, there is a sign up for a live session that we're going to be doing later in January. Now, there's 2 times that you can choose from, and I did it this way because I really want to be diligent with your time that you're willing to give me, but you are going to get to see some real life application of how you could use the SAM 2.0 platform, as well as do a little bit of Q&A. And then at the end of it, we're going to give you guys a really incredible offer on how you could actually start using the SAM 2.0 platform. So I'm really excited to be able to give you guys a tool that can actually truly help you and your real estate business grow and become successful. And it's actually going to allow the technology of today be influenced. It's not just AI as a buzzword that is ultimately a text editor. It's something that is fundamentally going to shift how you think of a CRM or a piece of real estate technology. And I just can't wait to see you there. So go ahead and follow this link to this URL. Check out all these videos. We've spent the last 2 months putting this together. So it's something that I've really tried to give you guys a really good look. But then go to the very bottom and get signed up, and I will see you guys at the live Workflow Secrets Demo Day 2025.